Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Esther and I share sewing tips, DIY projects, and if you want to improve your sewing skills, you are in the right place. Have you ever sewn something you were really excited about and then you try it on and it looks cheap? Don't worry, this is completely normal, especially when you're beginning to learn how to sew. Most of the time, it's not your sewing skills, it's a handful of small choices that makes a difference between ready to wear, designer, or handmade clothes. Today, I'm going to show you 7 main reasons why your handmade or homemade clothes look cheap and how to fix them so your clothes look expensive and polished. Number 1 is fabric. Most of the time, the number 1 culprit is fabric choice. Different fabrics behave different on the body, and if the fabric doesn't match the design, it instantly looks off. Cheap looking signs to spot is number 1, print that feels crafty. Number 2 is lightweight cotton on structured garments. Number 3 is shiny polyester, and the last one is stiff synthetic on drapey silhouettes. To fix this problem, match the fabric to the pattern. And for structured projects, use twill, denim, or linen blends. For drapey projects, use crepe, viscose, rayon, or silk. And for comfy outfits, use jersey or rib fabrics. Number 2 is fit. So even perfectly made or stitched garments can look cheap if the fit is off. So how do you spot a garment or an outfit with an off-fitting look? Number 1 is when the fit is too loose or too tight. Number 2 is when the shoulder seams are sitting too wide. Number 3 is gaping at the neckline. 4 is hem not level, waistline of the outfit not sitting on the body's true waistline. And how do you fix this problem? Number 1 is to try the outfit midway whilst you're making it. When you see a fault, pin and adjust the problem on your body so you can get the exact measurement or the exact corrections. Shorten or lengthen the torso if needed. Also, remember always, small adjustments will give you a nice, perfect fit. Number 3 is finishing. Beginners always skip finishing because they don't see it, but the body feels it. What makes a garment or an outfit finish look cheap? Raw edges inside, bulky seam allowances, uneven hems, puckering around the zipper. And how do we fix this problem? 1 is to iron the seams before stitching and also take time on closures when fixing them. Try also to stabilize the neckline with interfacing so they will stay inside instead of flipping out. Remember to always top stitch your interfacings. Number 4 is notions. So when we talk about notions, we mean buttons, zippers, elastics. These are very tiny but loud, and they can make your clothes look cheap like really quickly. So these are something that you really have to take notice of. So what makes notions cheap? Shiny plastic buttons, visible bulky elastic, contrast threads unintentionally. If it's not a design, it makes your clothes look really cheap. Exposed zippers if that's not a design. So how do we fix this? So instead of the normal regular zippers, try using invisible zippers. These are really good ones and they make your clothes, they take your clothes from 0 to 100. Also put elastics inside casing. Another thing is to upgrade your buttons to matte, metal, or wood. Number 5 is the patterns on your fabric. Print skill matters more than people think. So what makes print on fabric look cheap? When the prints are too wide or too small for the body type or the type of project you're making. Also when the stripes are not matching the seams, and also prints that scream craft sessions. So there are actually prints that are really like for craft, and when you use them for outfits, they don't really give it. So don't do it. I'll show you examples of this kind of prints. So to fix this, make sure the stripes are always matching at the seam lines. Use print sparingly in fitted silhouettes and check the scale against purchased garments. Number 6 is proportion. So even if everything is well sewn, proportion can make it look cheap or expensive. For example, skirts that looks too long or too short for the silhouette, sleeves not balanced, waist too high or too low. So how to fix this is to pick a ready to wear outfit that you have and compare the waistline and silhouette so that you get the perfect fit when you make your own clothes. So you can take the measurement from this outfit that you love and then incorporate it in your own sewing at home. Number 7 is pressing. So pressing is the most underrated part of sewing, and when you don't press your outfit whilst you're making them, it gives away puffy seams, wavy hems, and facings flipping out. You can see that sometimes when you make an outfit with a facing, the facing is rolling out instead of staying inside of your garment. And how do you fix this? Make sure you press every seam as you go. Don't wait until you finish with the garment before you try to press it. You wouldn't get the expensive look you want if you go that way. So always press as you go. Immediately you make a seam, open it up and press it. Also use steam and cloth for delicate fabric, and also press hems before top stitching. So that's it. If your handmade clothes are looking cheap, don't stress. It's actually a few upgrades that will take your clothing from cheap looking to expensive. So if you like this video, don't forget to watch my other videos, like, comment and subscribe. See you in another video.